it's another day and we're back at it. We're adding some more parts to our truck to make it more off-road capable.
So our friends from MILLERCAT sent us the rear shock mounts and the trailing arm skid plates. So the underneath is gonna be a lot more protected for places we go, and we're not gonna have to worry about it so much.
Yeah, when they reached out to us, we were actually super stoked to work with them because a couple of years ago, we bought one of their cat shields for our friend's Prius because her other Prius had the catalytic converter stolen from it. So day one of her getting a new Prius, we made sure to install that catalytic converter shield, and it has held up and nothing has been stolen. So when we heard that they had off-road parts, we were getting stoked to try it out because we know it's going to be good quality.
And this stuff is gonna protect our truck, so let's get to it, guys.
Yes, we can.
Here are all the beautiful MILLERCAT parts. We have the rear shock mounts skid and all the trailing arm skids. We got 4 of these for the trailing arm skids and 1 each for the rear shock mounts. Pretty simple to put it on like a shoe. Let's go. All right, we're down underneath the rear passenger wheel. What we're trying to protect here is this rear shock mount. And this thing we're putting on like a shoe. So just like this. And now it's gonna protect anything that will hit it. If you're on a rock and you slip off of this tire, this will do the protection for us. Just 2 bolts, 4 washers. This is probably like the easiest install of some more armor that we've done. Existing holes, you don't have to drill anything. There's this extra slack, so we just kind of want to push it up far away. Just like that. Now it's M's turn for the driver's side.
All right. Just like Johnny said, put it on like a shoe.
Now that's my fault when we were testing it out.
Okay, there we are.
Yeah, that's my fault, guys.
All right. So again, trying to make sure it's positioned where it's not going to pinch this tire at all. But that might be changing soon for us. Get another washer. All right, another washer and nut.
Nice.
Oh, I thought I was gonna hit your hand. Okay.
It definitely clears the wheel weight over our stock wheels.
I'm very excited to install the trailing arm skid plates because it is something that as we started trailing, I realized as I'm spotting, it's one of the most scariest points on the truck because as you're riding up something, you have your front wheels up on something and you're waiting for your rear to get up. It's one of the lowest points on the truck and I'm always scared we're gonna smash it. So really excited to install these and I think it's gonna help us out a lot. So we have the front and the back skid plates that are going to go over that trailing arm. And on this one, we will have to back out that OEM bolt slightly so the pieces can slide over it. But we'll show you guys that once we get under the truck.
We got the trailing arm here, the front piece, and obviously the back piece there. Some bolts we got to take out that are the OEM bolts is just this one and the other side that connects the actual trailing arm piece. We don't have to fully take it out, just like M said. So that is a good way to do it. Okay, just loosen it up and then do it by hand. I guess not by hand, but like, I'm too lazy to get up for the other wrench. Once that nut comes off basically, then the threads, that should be doing it. We backed off that bolt just enough that we could slide this and it'll go right on. Just like that. Now the bolt is exposed We got 2 size lengths of bolts here. Use the longer one. Thread it through the provided hole. And that's essentially it. Now we put on bolts and tighten it down. Nuts, put on nuts. All right, we're gonna torque stuff down. Tighten the big guy first and tighten the small guy. Punch myself in the face. See what I mean? I need smaller tools.
I want you to have all your teeth.
Yep, that would be important. The rears are pretty much the same. Undo the OEM bolt just enough that the threads back up into the mount here, and then we can slide it on. Not strong enough. Ah! All right, this bolt was a pain to get off because we're on the ground and having to use a breaker bar. There. I think that's loose enough. We got this all set up now. We got the bolt backed out just enough so the threads won't get in the way when we're putting this skid on. Next, we put in the provided bolts. I had a beast of a time taking that lower trail arm bolt out, and trying to torque it back up is gonna be fun, but just using the tools that we brought with us, we're gonna get it done though. Luna, good girl. All right, let's torque the rear one to 103. Oh, because that would be too easy. Yeah!
It looks like we got some visitors. We come in peace.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious.
They're like, what the heck you guys doing here? This is day 2 of doing this install, and we got a little hung up on the passenger side rear trailing arm skid plate. So we had to do something about that.
That bolt is tight. There's no room for me to even use that breaker bar. So we have to go home, get an early Christmas present, upgrade our impact wrench to the latest and greatest one compared to the first, not even the first W, but this is 13 years old. This is 1 year old. Just came out. So, hey, new toy, new tool. We can get this off.
Let's get to it.
This is that old one we've been using. Had it for a long time. Definitely cannot take this bolt out. Yeah, that's on max power, fresh battery. Ain't doing it. Just a rattling machine. Hey, I get to take off the first bolt with this one. Woohoo! Feel the power. Uh-oh. I have to rattle it a few times, but it is definitely coming off. This thing is a beast. Oh, yep, there it is. Woohoo! Hey, proof that we use our tools and we're not afraid for them to get scratched because they already got scraped up. Yeah, we're keeping this thing. We're not a buy it, use it, return it kind of family.
Well, that was a lot quicker than the other day when we were just trying to yank it out. Just a couple.
I don't have a 19 ratchet, baby. I have a 17. That's why we have to do it this way.
Okay. Oh, I see where you're hitting this.
Yeah. Oh well.
Good?
Yeah. Until we torque it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
You got it. Record?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Time to torque it?
Yep.
Hey, was that it?
That was 103. All right.
Nice, baby.
Hey, that wrench did a lot of it. Okay.
Right there.
Let's try to do this 55. We've definitely gone up this before, but this is really overgrown. It's probably gonna scrape up our side of our truck, but we're just showing you that with this protection, it's great when you're climbing up obstacles. So we're gonna go as far as we want to. There's some oil down there. It's kind of crazy there. Almost looks like someone just spilled their oil out here. Come on.
Good?
Yup. Nice. Looking good. Nice. We've always wondered if we're close to these front trailing arm mounts. And now we got this protection. We've gone up these stairs on a stock, everything, so we know we can make it. But this is just a peace of mind in the future. It's always hard to see on camera, but that trailing arm is close to the step here, and just that added protection of the front armor, that feels good.
Another mod done, and our truck is even more trail ready.
Yeah, now we're not gonna worry so much about stuff like that coming really close to the trailing arm, and more armor, more better, more adventures to come.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, we have a bunch of other videos, so check them out and subscribe.
To Yes We Chan. Let's go.